That was the sound of a Melman 586 computer getting sick when asked to find a date for John.
This is the first time I've tried computer dating.
Well, the computer will scan our roster of over 80,000 single, desperate women and find the perfect one for you. No one is that desperate.
You see? It's just a matter of pressing the right button at the right moment. Think you can handle it, Pepper? I hope I haven't made a mistake. I forgot my key. I'll ring the bell. I'll try knocking. I'll use the key. Oh boy, this is what you get when you hire someone who used to rent his brain out to model for raisins. Now where was I? Oh, I remember. Ready with a sound effect, Odie? I've had enough of this.
Garfield, why did you wake me up? That wasn't very cute.
Stay out of my bed, Normal, or it's the red eye to Abu Dhabi for you.
Gee whiz, Garfield, you're so mean to me.
It's in my job description. See? Eating, sleeping, being mean to Normal.
You'll probably even be upset I ate all the lasagna in the kitchen.
I don't care what you do, just as long as you don't, you didn't.
Garfield, Garfield, now don't do anything we'll both regret, especially me.
Sorry about the bad sound effects.
I need a place to hide.
He's around here somewhere. I wonder if Odie's still doing our sound effects. Yep, Odie's still doing our sound effects. Excuse me while I play pickpocket. Excuse me, but I think you have something I need to mail somewhere. Let's see, car keys, tissue, wallet. Ah, here it is. Little annoying thing.
Garfield, you're not really going to ship me overnight to Abu Dhabi?
Of course not, Normal. I'm going to use 2-day service. It's cheaper.
Garfield, we're under attack!
You can have the kitten. Don't hurt me.
Wait for me! We're trapped! There's a herd of wild elephants coming this way! I can hear them!
You'll have to sacrifice yourself, Normal. You'll... Wait a minute. I'm forgetting who's doing our sound effects.
Don't go out there, Garfield! The elephants will get you!
There are no elephants. It's just Odie doing the sound effects. It's just dumb old... Odie, you're fired. Normal, you're disgusting. Ladies and gentlemen, I apologize for this cartoon. We'll get a real sound effects person for the next one, I promise.